Most freelancers send cold DMs or cold emails asking business if they need a website, but imagine opening an email and seeing a fully designed website specifically made for your business that instantly grabs your attention. By sending a demo website with your outreach, you can increase your chance of getting reply by 50 to 60%. In this video, I will show you how to create professional demo websites for your potential clients completely free using Claude AI. Let's get started and I will walk you through entire process step by step. So the first step is all you need to do is just head over to ChatGPT and here you need to describe their business. If they're running a cafe, salon, gym or any kind of business they are doing, all you need to do is just copy their details from Google Maps, or if you have them on your paper, notepad or anywhere, just paste it here and tell it to create a prompt for this. Let me just show you how you can do it. So I will just speak up here. So my client has a cafe called Cafe Byte. I need you to give me a detailed prompt to create a website for his cafe. This should include hero section, testimonials, and menu and book table. Along with the contact information needs to be mentioned on website, and website needs to be look very professional and beautiful. So give me a detailed prompt for this. So as you can see here, I described what kind of business I am doing and what kind of website I want, what section do I want there, and then you can just send it. And here you can see in return, ChatGPT give you a detailed prompt. Like you can see, create a premium, modern, fully responsive landing page for a cafe called Cafe Byte. The website should feel warm, elegant, and inviting while maintaining a premium aesthetic similar to high-end cafes like Blue Bottle, Starbucks Reserve, or local coffee shops. Now, overall style we have here, navigation, and all of that stuff. All you need to do is just copy this entire prompt from here. Then you can just go to Claude. So I will just copy the prompt from here. I will go back to Claude here. Most of you say that Claude is paid, but you can use it free too for creating one or two website at least. I will just enter this prompt here and I will just take a look. So I just pasted the entire prompt here and then I will just send this. So now after you send this website, you need to wait for about a couple of minutes, like 2-3 minutes, and it will design the complete landing page for your client that you can send them as a demo while outreaching, which will increase your reply rate eventually. And now comes the important part. Even after you get reply from client and someone says yes, they agree to your price, how do you get paid? How do you send them invoices? And how do you separate your business from your personal finance? When I started looking into it, I realized that if you are working with international clients, having a proper business setup is not just nice to have, it makes everything much smoother. That's why I partner with Doola. Instead of juggling different services for my company formation, banking, bookkeeping, and tax support, Doola brings everything together in one place. They help entrepreneurs set up a US LLC, get an EIN, access business banking, and handle ongoing business admin so you can focus on building instead of paperwork. One thing I really like is that you don't have to be in US to get started. You can manage your business from anywhere you are, which is really great if you're building an online business or working with global clients. A lot of people focus only on making money online, but very few build the system that let keep them growing. Whether you are a freelancer, running an agency, building a business, or you have a SaaS product, having the right foundation saves you a lot of headaches later. So if you want to check it out, you can book a free consulting call from them. If you have any doubts, you can just click on this book a free consultation and you can book a call with them and they will guide you through entire process. So if you want to check them out, I will left my link in description box below. You can explore the plans and see which one fits for you. Let's go back to Claude to see if our website is ready here. So it's currently writing the index.html page, I guess. So now you can see our website is ready. It says here's the full Cafe Byte landing page built to your specification. Now you will see that it's not looking that professional, but let me tell you something. If you build website with Claude, specifically on free plan, you might encounter some of the bugs like image not showing. To fix that, all you need to do is just click on this button and click on download as HTML. Once you download the website file and open it, it will be all fixed automatically. Now you can say we have a hero section background, and if we scroll down, we have the images. We have the about Cafe Byte section here. We have the featured menu where we have all the menu, tea, breakfast, snacks, desserts, and we can have the few, and we have the view full menu option too, reserve a table button, explore menu, and we have complete option like to reserve our table. We can enter full name, phone number, email, date. We can select the date from here. We have the complete date drop down, number of guests, and we can select the time when the guest will arrive. Then we have the special request like window seat, birthday setup, or we have some notes here. Then we have the location get in touch section where we can enter our cafe, gym, or anything location here. And then we have the complete map too. Now if we scroll down, we have the followers on Instagram, and you can also add some of your Instagram reels here if you want to add. Then we have the follow on Instagram button, and we have the newsletter too. If you want to subscribe, then we have some of the socials platform link, then contact information, company, and the quick links too. Now if you want to make some changes, let's say client told you to change this address, so you can just tell Claude that I want to change this address. But now you can see it says you are out of free messages until 1:20 a.m. Told you I am on a Claude free plan. So if you are building website for free, you might encounter this issue too. But after a couple of hours, this limit will reset. Then you can make changes. But if you have serious buyers who really need a website, you can just upgrade your plan. Let me show you. Just click on this upgrade plan button, and you can buy the pro plan or maybe the max plan. Then you will have more limits to build your website, and you can make changes, build multiple websites too. So I hope you like this video and must check out Doola. Link is in the description box below. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.